Hey, so is Jungle Scout available in Spain? Does the Jungle Scout software work for the Amazon Spain marketplace? And which tools by Jungle Scout are available in the Amazon Spain marketplace? You'll discover it in this video. And I'm also going to explain to you exactly which tools are available and what they do. We're going to go through this nice page by Jungle Scout, which is also available for you down in the description, along with the best discounts for Jungle Scout and a playlist with over 100 Jungle Scout tutorials. Great to meet you. My name is Vava Evans, seller on Amazon. So we're going to talk about Amazon Spain today and Jungle Scout. So let's see. We're reading here. Support for different stores depends on the specific product feature. At this time, Jungle Scout is fully compatible with the following Amazon marketplaces. And it's good news for Amazon Spain. It's number 8 here. Amazon Spain is number 8, and it is, well, I would say almost fully compatible. You'll understand why almost in a second, but because in addition, we offer limited support for the following stores, and these stores get a bit less tools at this point, but I do recommend you getting updated by clicking on the link and going to this page if you're watching in the future. So feature breakdown by marketplace. So let's see, we have the ES, that's Spain part here, and we have the tool on the left, and then we're going to see the marketplace and exactly what those tools do. So first, home dashboard is available for Amazon Spain. That's just the main kind of dashboard when you log in into Jungle Scout. It's fully available with Spain, and of course it's pretty awesome. The next tool is sales estimator and listing grader, part of the toolbox, the next tools. The sales estimator on Amazon Spain is going to help you understand the amount of sales a product on Amazon Spain does per month. So it's really good for product research and niche research. Listing grader is a tool that's going to help you understand the quality of a listing on Amazon. Is the listing fully filled with pictures? Does it have all the bullet points there? Is the title too long or too short, etc.? So those two tools are available for the Amazon Spain marketplace. And I would recommend you, if you want to see how to use those tools, check out the playlist of my tutorials for Jungle Scout in the description, along with the best discounts there as well. Next part is product research for Amazon Spain with Jungle Scout. So basically we have the product tracker, product database, opportunity finder. So 3 of those are available on Spain marketplace, and category trends is not. So what are those tools? Product tracker is a tool that helps you track the results of a product that you're kind of tracking. So you can find a competing product, or you can put your own products there, and you can kind of follow along with the sales there. You can see if they're getting any new reviews. You can read those reviews. So product tracker will help you kind of learn more about a specific niche on Amazon. Product database and opportunity finder are tools for product research on Amazon. So let's say you want to look on Amazon Spain for products that generate, let's say, I'm going to talk in dollars. Let's say they generate over $15,000 a month, and they weigh less than 200 grams, like very small products. And also they have less than, let's say, 100 reviews. So you input that criteria, and from the database that Jungle Scout has, it has like millions and millions of products, it's going to show you those exact products. So it's good for product research. And of course, I have videos that show you how to use those tools, both product database and opportunity finder. Category trends is a tool that's only available for the US. And basically, it's a tool that shows you kind of the best selling different products in different categories and the trends of those categories, but you can just go to the best sellers on Amazon Spain and check out yourself for the best sellers. So not available, but you can do it in this way kind of thing. Go to the best sellers on Amazon Spain and just look for good products there. Next one is suppliers. And here we have supplier database, supplier tracker. Supplier database is a tool that's only available for Amazon US. For Spain, it's not available. This tool helps you with finding best suppliers for your products based on other products. So let's say you can input a product of your best competitor into the supplier database, and you might get the supplier of this specific competitor. Let's say this competitor has good quality and you're really liking this product, you ordered their product, and sometimes by inputting this ASIN or this product into database, you will be able to see the supplier. It does not always work, but sometimes it does, and it can help you find good suppliers. Next one is supplier tracker. It is available with Amazon Spain. This tool will help you kind of organize your suppliers and your communication with them, or your purchase invoices. So it's a good thing to stay organized when talking to suppliers, because it might get disorganized with time, especially the more products you get on Amazon. So this tool will help you get and stay organized. Next part is the keywords part. So it's fully available with Amazon Spain, which is pretty cool. We have Keyword Scout, Keyword Lists, Listing Builder, and Rank Tracker here. So Keyword Scout will help you find the best keywords for your products on Amazon Spain. Then you can organize those keywords into keyword lists, and those lists you can then take to Listing Builder to build a good listing on Amazon Spain from those keywords. So they are fully available, which is pretty cool. That means you can build a good listing. You can also find a good product, because by doing keyword research, you're also actually doing like product research. So also there's the rank tracker, the last part here, also available for Amazon Spain. Rank tracker will help you track ranks of specific keywords on Amazon. For example, you have found a really small product, what we said, under 200 grams, and a small product. Let's say it's a seed box, some specific seeds that you found, and you can track then the rank. Let's say those are seeds for rose seeds, and you can rank the track of the keyword of a specific product, let's say on a keyword like rose seeds for garden or red rose seeds. Okay, you can see exactly where your product or a competitor's product is ranking, and in this way you can see if your marketing efforts are working, because then you can see, let's say you're promoting your product with pay-per-click ads, and suddenly you see that by tracking using the rank tracker, you'll see that the keyword that you're promoting is going from page number 2 to page number 1 to the top of page number 1. Great. Or you're following a competitor and you see that their rank for specific keywords fluctuates, and you can actually see where they're ranking in order to see maybe potential where they're getting sales as well. So that's rank tracker, fully available with Amazon Spain. Let's go. Next one is marketing review automation, fully available with all the marketplaces, but also with Amazon Spain. This tool will help you automatically request reviews for purchases that you've made on Amazon Spain. Of course, you can exclude like refunded orders and stuff like that, so you won't get like 1-star reviews. You can still potentially get 1-star reviews if you just request reviews, but at least you have, if you have a good product, you have a chance to get more 5-star reviews or 4-star reviews and all that. It's fully automated, and it has a specific template by Amazon itself that's allowed by Amazon. It will send it automatically to your customers. Good tool, in my opinion. Fully available with the Amazon Spain. Next part is sales analytics. So profit overview, P&L statement, and other transactions, fully available with Amazon Spain. Those tools will help you kind of see your profits on Amazon, your margins. You can input different criteria like the cost of your goods, and then based on the sales that you're making on Amazon, based on all the refunds that you're getting, all the returns and everything, Jungle Scout will calculate everything and give you the final profits that you're getting. So that's really good if you want to see exactly if you're profiting or not on Amazon, because the tools by Amazon itself are quite limited. So these tools by Jungle Scout are awesome to help you stay within understanding of your real numbers. Next one is advertising analytics, fully available for Amazon Spain. It's a tool for Amazon PPC, pay-per-click. Of course, we have a tutorial for that tool as well in the description, in the tutorials playlist. Basically, it's a tool that helps you work with Amazon PPC with the help of Jungle Scout. Some people work with Amazon PPC using Seller Central, but some need other tools and they find it more comfortable. So advertising analytics can help you, and we have a tutorial for that as well. Of course, the best discounts for Jungle Scout are in the description as well. Next one is manage products, inventory manager, and product settings and costs. So those tools are fully available for Amazon Spain. Basically, what those tools help you is they help you stay in stock and not go out of stock, because out of stock. Yeah, I'm recording a few videos here, so but basically, those tools help you stay in stock, not go overstock, so, and not out of stock. Basically, what that means is you'll connect the Jungle Scout to your Amazon Seller Central. You will then see the amount of sales you're making, and also you can input the time it takes you to produce a specific product and the amount of time it takes you to ship a specific product to Amazon. And of course, Jungle Scout will connect to Amazon, count your sales, count the time it takes you to produce and send the products, and will tell you like, hey, you have 20 more days of stock left, for example, you should order stock right now, or you have like 90 more days of stock left, but because it takes you 60 days of production time and shipping time, and you have such and such sales, you have to order today or tomorrow. So this will really ease the inventory management game for you. I really recommend inventory management tools for Amazon sellers, because it's kind of a hard thing in the Amazon business to stay in stock and not overstock. Yeah, especially with like seasonal products. Anyway, let's go down a little bit. I'll remind you also that you have this page in the description because with time, maybe on Amazon Spain, new tools such as maybe category trends will appear, but most of the tools by Jungle Scout work here. And also good news is that the extension, the Jungle Scout Chrome extension for Amazon product research, product validation, which is also available for you through the link in the description, also works with Amazon Spain, Amazon.es. So good news because you can use this tool, this extension for product research and validation to find good products. I have a tutorial that shows you from A to Z how to use it in the playlist of tutorials down in the description. So on the screen also you will see the playlist of tutorials appearing. Click on it, go watch more tutorials for different tools that I've talked to you about. So you will master them and you will get better results with Jungle Scout. Of course, get the best discounts for Jungle Scout in the description and a link to that page as well to get updated for other tools that appear. I'm wishing you a great day, sir or madam. Bye bye.